Hi, my name is Lito. I'm a permanent makeup artist and trainer of International Academy S. In this video, I will share with you my experience how to become a successful permanent makeup artist and how to become a trainer of Academy S. My channel is all about permanent makeup, beauty and my lifestyle. Please subscribe.
But first, make sure you subscribe to my channel.
Advice number 1. Provide a great service for your client. I have been in beauty industry since 2012 and I always asking my clients what they would like to get for the procedure. This is very important to have connection with your client. Your client have to trust you because it's their face.
Service with a smile.
Advice number 2. Remember, all your clients are unique. You have to explain your client permanent makeup procedure. You have to recommend them what will be better for them and for their type of skin. And you have to educate your client about permanent makeup procedure, pre and post aftercare. Advice number 3. Be professional. Invest in yourself. I always invested in my education. For example, I took many courses about permanent makeup. Margarita Mishutkina course from Russia, Svetlana Slogub course from Ukraine, Paula Soto from USA. One course changed my life. I met Svetoslav Ochinash in Ukraine, in Kiev, on masterclass. And now I'm proud to be a craft master trainer of International Academy S. Also, I have been an organizer of masterclass of Natalia Ochinash in Canada. And on this masterclass, I met the famous Tina Davis. Advice number 4. Never stop learning. I always prefer to improve myself and I'm taking classes from the best and top permanent makeup artists and another professionals. For example, in a couple months I took permanent makeup course of Yana Moskalenko from Ukraine. Also I took courses from Yelena Ichayeva about machine hair strokes technique. And also I am doing the courses of YouTube channel of Marina Mogilko.
Hey, where you going?
I'm going on Academy S Grand Class in Ukraine. Come with me.
Advice number 5. Participate in the conference. For example, I have been on conferences like Grand Class of Academy S 2019 and 2020, and I met so many professionals of permanent makeup world. And for example, now I can talk about permanent makeup with Anna Kochkina from Portugal. I also met Inga from Lithuania, Anastasia Pavlova from Ireland, also Kamila Stetsenko from Austria, Julia Vasilieva from Spain, and many other professionals in permanent makeup. If you meet them personally, you can be in contact with them. You can tag them on Instagram. You can discuss some question about permanent makeup. And this year, I will be a judge in the semi-final of the World Universal League of Permanent Makeup. Organizer of this event will be Jenny Genizeri. Now you know my story. Your success is in your hand. I would like to inspire you to be a super professional for your client. Recommendation for the clients. If you see that your permanent makeup artist investing in education and participate in the conference, he definitely would like to provide the best service for you. Please share your story in the comment and how you improving your beauty skills.
Skills and fashion sense.
If you're a permanent makeup artist and would like to improve your skills or join our academy, please sign up on my online courses. Thanks for watching this video. I will appreciate if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. See you soon. Bye bye.